Welcome to our tutorial on managing your privacy and device storage by clearing browsing data in the Phoenix browser on your mobile device. Whether you're aiming to enhance performance or protect your privacy, this guide will walk you through the process. First, open the Phoenix browser on your mobile device. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right. Then, scroll down and select Settings from the menu options. After that, tap on Clear Data. Now, you'll see a list of data types you can choose to clear. These include cached videos, cached images, system data, site data, browsing history, and other data. Select the checkboxes next to the data types you wish to delete. Finally, tap the Cleanup button to confirm and clear the selected data. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and clear your browsing data in the Phoenix browser, helping to maintain your privacy and optimize your device's performance. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.